parties in Canada, Quebec nationalists included, had to say, no, we'll stand up for Canada. But Carney was the most effective in doing that because the Conservative leader, Pierre Poilievre, had been seen as having some affinities with Trump and as quite close to Trump. So Carney was the one who was in a better position to speak in defense of Canada. It should be said, however, the Conservative vote also went up. Both parties went up, and at the expense of the small parties. I mentioned the new Democratic Party. There's a Quebec Nationalist Party, the Bloc Québécois, who may get some seats in Parliament as well. So a win for Carney, but not an overwhelming win, because nevertheless it's remarkable because they were 25 points behind just a few months ago. I've never seen such a massive turnaround in such a short period of time in any democratic system.